My name is Panagiotis Karas, and I'm coming from the Free University of Brussels, ULB. My topic is cancer biology, and I'm dedicated to find mechanisms against cancer. I'm extremely happy that I have this mandate because it will give me the choice and the time and the freedom to do my own research. The topic of my research is to understand how different lifestyle factors and also how our internal system, that is called circadian rhythmicity, can affect cancer progression and metastasis. This can have a tremendous impact in society because the aim of my research is to identify vulnerabilities in cancer that later on we are going to identify targets to specifically try to block cancer progression and also metastatic dissemination that is lethal for cancer patients. I chose to become a researcher because I was very curious and I wanted to see and understand how our physiology and how our body is working in normal conditions and also in pathophysiological conditions. Researchers need to have open mind, curiosity, and high motivation. I'm very proud and happy that I am part of a very diverse and interactive community at the national and international level with a certain and same aim to combat cancer progression and metastasis. Eventually, I would like to bring closer to clinic new therapeutic approaches to target cancer progression and metastasis.